Welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a way to simplify your trading and move away from manual stress, today's video is exactly what you need. We are diving into PivotCore.net, one of the most efficient auto trading platforms designed specifically for Deriv traders. Trading isn't just about luck, it's about having a solid plan and the right tools. Today, I'm going to show you how I use the even-odd strategy on this platform. My goal for this session is clear. I'm placing 10 trades, and my target is to win at least 5 of them to maintain a steady profit margin. Let's see how the auto trader handles the market dynamics. What makes PivotCore stand out is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a coding expert to run these bots. Whether you're a beginner or a pro on Deriv, this platform automates the heavy lifting for you. As you can see on my screen, I'm setting up the even-odd strategy. The beauty of auto trading here is the execution speed. In manual trading, a split-second delay can cost you, but here, the system enters the trade the moment the conditions are met. I've set my stake and my targets, and now we let the algorithm do its work. Notice how the platform tracks every movement in real time. Now, watch closely as the trades start executing. We're aiming for a 5-10 win rate. In trading, risk management is the most important word. You don't need to win 100% of the time to be profitable. You just need a strategy that works consistently. PivotCore.net allows you to stay disciplined. It removes the emotions, the fear and greed that usually make traders lose money. By using this auto trading setup, I can stick to my plan of 10 trades without overtrading. If you've been struggling with making quick decisions on Deriv, this automation is a total game changer. As we wrap up this session, you can see our results. We hit our target by following a simple automated logic. If you're tired of staring at charts all day and want a more professional way to handle your Deriv account, I highly recommend checking out PivotCore.net. It's fast, reliable, and built for traders who value their time. You can start small, test your strategies, and scale up as you get comfortable. Stop gambling and start trading with a system. Click the link in the description to visit PivotCore.net today and set up your first bot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more trading masterclasses. Let's grow together.